Exercise number 1.2, problem number 1, for subdivision. Solve the following equations using Cramer's rule. So the equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 6, 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, 6x minus 2y minus 3z is equal to minus 7. First, let us form delta. So using the coefficients of x, y and z. From the first equation, the coefficients 1, 1, 1. From the second equations, 2, 3, minus 1, and from the last equations 6, minus 2 and minus 3. Let me expand this delta. So 1 into minus 9 minus 2 and minus 1 into minus 6 and plus 6 and plus 1 into minus 4 minus 18. So what do we get? We get 1 into minus 11 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into minus 22. So simplification, minus 11 minus 22, which is minus 33. Now let us form delta x. So what is delta x? Your delta x is change of the values of x coefficients. So what are the x coefficients which is changed to? Instead of 1, 2, 6, it will be 6, 5 and minus 7. So the remaining values remains the same. So what are the remaining values? 1, 3, minus 2 and 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Let me expand this. Expansion gives us 6 into minus 9 minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 15 minus 7 and plus 1 into minus 10 plus 21. So which is simplification is 6 into minus 11 minus 1 into minus 22 and plus 1 into 11. So which is minus 66 plus 22 and plus 11. So further simplification gives me minus 33. Now we have to find the value of delta y. So delta y. Delta y equals to the coefficients of x won't change. So 1, 2 and 6. Y coefficient there will be a change, which is 6, 5 minus 7, and your z coefficients remains the same, which is 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Let me expand. Expansion gives me 1 into minus 15 minus 7 minus 6 into minus 6 plus 6 and plus 1 into 7 into 2 minus 14 and minus 30. So which is 1 into minus 22 minus 6 into 0 plus 1 into minus 44. So which is equals to minus 22 and minus 44, which gives us minus 66. Now let me find out delta z. So what is delta z? My x coefficients remains the same. My y coefficients also remains the same, which is 1, 3 and minus 2. And z coefficient changes. The z coefficient changes to 6, 5, minus 7. So if I do it, let me evaluate this. So 1 into minus 21 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 14 minus 30 and plus 6 into minus 4 minus 18. So which is equals to 1 into minus 11 minus 1 into minus 44 plus 6 into minus 22. So which is minus 11 plus 44 and minus 6 2s are 12, carry the 1, 132. So what is the final answer? The final answer after simplification gives us minus 99. So let me find out x values. So what is x? Delta x by delta. So delta x by delta is minus 33 by minus 33, which is equals to 1. Y values, delta y by delta. Delta y by delta is, delta y value is minus 66 by minus 33, which is equals to 2, and z is delta z by delta z, which is minus 99 by minus 33, which is equals to 3. Therefore, what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 3.